Okay, this is what I wanted to see, the brand new sports book. Let's check it out first. Ooh, yeah, beautiful. Look at the ticker going on out here. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. Wow, it really looks good. Really makes a casino look good.
Conversation after they broke the huddle. Oh, short. On the end around, well played. Great job by Kyle Jacobs.
Well, everybody else is going non-smoking, and this is a brand new sports book, and it's smoking. That's surprising. It's going to cost them a lot of money to replace this carpet more often, replace those chairs more often because of that smoke. But that's their business. It's still beautiful. Air quality seemed pretty good. Of course, it's not real crowded right now. This isn't football season, really. We're winding down. College, that is. This ticker is the best thing that they did. That just looks awesome. It's going just the right speed. Sometimes those things just go too slow. That's really nice.